afternoon and welcome. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're here at this place, the Park MGM. Are you ready for today's hotel room tour adventure? Let's go. Home sweet home for the next, not quite 24 hours. Here they give you a mask and a hand sanitizer. It's like a little self-care kit and a little welcome letter. It says, "You're all good and safe for your well-being to stay here, and it's convenient as well." Over here is a Samsung flat screen TV. It's probably around 50 inches, the standard. I'm a little confused about the decor in this room though, because it's kind of like the old wire and spool type of like 1920s, 30s electricity. So it's kind of retro, but also modern. A little confused, but still nice. King size bed, a couple nightstands to match there with the red or maroon type of color motif, color scheme. A little bit of retro artwork on the wall. And I upgraded for the Las Vegas Strip view. Well, it's not the greatest view. Over there you have the Waldorf Astoria. If I can say it right, the Waldorf Astoria. Across the way you have the Cosmopolitan. Across the street, Polo Towers, those have been there forever. And of course the MGM Grand and the new Target down there that just opened. We should check that out later. And the M&M store, of course. But yeah, going back and looking at the TV console here, you have multimedia plugs there. Kind of a modern mirror with what looks to be fluorescent lighting, but it's actually LED with a vanity mirror there. Let's go take a look over here, and we have a little bit of storage, ironing board, in-room safe, a little dresser if you want to call it right over here. Somebody moved in. Oh wait, no, that's me. And hangers. Can we steal these? No, don't steal, that's bad. Okay, yeah, you can take a souvenir of a wooden hanger if you want, but you have an ice bucket and glasses because there's no refrigerator. But moving over here, we have these big slidey doors. Oh, and it opens to the bathroom. Ooh, see, modern. It's kind of weird, huh? It's a mix of modern and retro. It's a cool mirror right there. I hear a running toilet. Oh, we'll have to have that looked at. But is it clean? Yeah, it's clean. It's just running. There's the hairdryer. Definitely need that. Extra towels. Let's go check out this shower here. Ooh, it's fancy. Pretty clean. And it's simulated brick, even though that's tile. And is that a water-saving shower head? It might be. Wow, not bad and pretty impressive. It's very clean in here. I do like that. Because, right, who likes a dirty hotel room, right? I do. No. Alright, and the carpet, kind of a tan color, not too patterned or anything like that, just a little bit of texture added in there, but nice simple room. Can't really go wrong. Here it is, it's a Friday into Saturday, so it is weekend rates. It wasn't bad. You know, this place is actually still pretty cheap overall. It was, was it like $74 plus taxes and fees, so it ended up being like $139, but I decided to do a little bit of an upgrade to get this strip view, even though it's not the greatest view of this strip. But here we are, staying at the Park MGM. Our first time we've stayed here, so this is gonna be kind of nice. We'll go check out some of the restaurants, some of the stores, because that's all that's really open right now. There's really no shows or anything that's really going on, but we'll go venture out in our day and we'll see what the day awaits. Thanks for joining me at today's adventure stop. Be sure to like, subscribe, because that YouTube algorithm loves it. All right, thanks everyone for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Well, take a look at that. It's one of the hotel house phones. But how do you use it? How do you... Oh, look at that. Amazing. I haven't seen one of those in like 30 years.